my first day hair. So what I'm going to do is I've rough dried with my fingers so far, and now I'm using a vent brush. What you'll see is my hair is coming straight off my head to help give me volume, but my nozzle is still pointing with it. So I'm going to flip upside down for that volume. Alright, so as soon as I come up, I'm going to grab my hair and I'm going to twist. Here's the thing, I want any of this hair to be coming up off of my scalp because ultimately I want volume. So I'm going to twist it, I'm going to pin it. Here's something to keep in mind. I'm not twisting tight. I don't want tight, frizzy curl. I want just bigger wave. So I'm doing it loose. Big like this, and then I like to secure initially with these big bobby pins. I love these things. I'm going to turn around here for a second. I'm coming in and I'm only putting the amount of hair that actually fits in that bobby pin. I'm not opening it up with my fingers, or else then I risk having too much hair and it not holding. I'm going to put it in here, and then I typically go back the other way to lock it in. Now I'm going to do this side. And again, I'm going to use the big bobby pin. I don't want to do it too tight. I'm going to bring it around to the back, pin it in, right? And then I'm going to do the same thing down here, but I might split this into two, probably swirl it towards the middle. And then do whatever you will with the back. I'll use like 2 more big bobby pins like this. And then I lock it in, and I lock it in. So here's a hairspray that I love. It's the Moroccan oil, extra strong. I tend to love extra strong. What you could do is see I like a little more volume up through the top here. I'm a volume kind of girl. I'm going to spray in the direction of the hair. One time I do like to use little bobby pins is if I have a little area like this, right? I don't exactly like how it's laying. I'll put one of these little bobby pins in, didn't open it up, kind of get in there, and I'm lifting, right? And then I lock it by going in a different direction. So typically I go in one direction and then I turn to another direction in order to lock it. So I might do it like that, or like right up here. If I want to lift that a little more, just do that, and that'll give me a little extra hold, a little extra definition. This is my first day here.